start. They had also to experience difficulties in dealing with the state universities because the latter could not find the matching funds. Stop. The grants given by the University Grants Commission are normally on a matching basis. That is, the state governments of the universities have to find their share in order to utilize the grants allotted by the University Grants Commission because they were not able to find the matching funds. Stop. We are having discussions with the University Grants Commission to devise some methods to resolve this difficulty. Stop. If some arrangement could be made by means of which the state governments could make their funds available to the University Grants Commission, it would greatly facilitate in developing the universities. Stop. The central government makes the funds available to the University Grants Commission, and if the state governments could also entrust these funds to the University Grants Commission, it would facilitate the development program. Stop. In this matter, we have to negotiate with the University Grants Commission and the state governments, and I hope that in the 10th 5-year plan we may be able to solve this difficulty. Paragraph. Sir, the University Grants Commission has suggested that there should be some kind of flexibility in the allocation which is made to them for utilization. Stop. The House is aware that the plan allocations available to the various sectors had to be cut down as a result of which the allocation made to the University Grants Commission was also reduced from rupees 20 crores to rupees 18 crores for the ninth plan period. Stop. The Commission considered this matter in July 2003 and passed a resolution urging that in order to enable them to perform their statutory function for maintaining proper standards in universities, the government should make available to them a total sum of rupees 19 crores during the plan period. Stop. I have already communicated our decision to the chairman of the University Grants Commission that we shall divert the remaining fund, that is rupees 37 lakhs, for development purposes. Stop. In fact, I have been trying with the Ministry of Finance to secure an additional 1 crore of rupees in addition to rupees 19 crores. Stop. The Ministry of Finance have been sympathetic. Stop. Though they were not able to make any firm commitment, they have assured me that if the University Grants Commission is able to utilize these amounts, the question will be considered sympathetically in the last year of the plan. Stop.